Greeting, folks. This is Jason from Jokerman Electronics. Today on the bench is the 10 pill XT800 base. I'm still working on it. Been real busy about things. Right now, we did a complete teardown. We're gonna clean the whole amp. How far I got? Kind of dirty in there. How's it going, everybody? Today? So just want to show you what the outcome is. We're going to take this spray. We're going to take this spray right here. As you can see, contact cleaner. We're going to start cleaning it with the contact cleaner. So, hey, James Stewart. We're still working on it, man. I mean, it's a lot of work. It's not like I could just give it to you and expect it to work. It's a lot of cleaning to do. I mean, it got, like I said, if you looked in the last video, if you looked in here, all the stuff came on up, the glue for the to hold this down. So look in there, all the glue and stuff like that. So we're going to take this contact cleaner, kind of spray it on here to get all this stuff up here off the board. Really nasty inside, I can't just give it to you like that. You gotta be clean, Otherwise it won't do it. It'll do it again. So yeah, get in here, take this rag here, and start cleaning all the insides and stuff on it. Get all that stuff off of there. So get everything will bond a lot better. Gone a long ways with it. Yes, sir. Hey, share out there. Go ahead and share. And if you have any questions for me, let me know. So we're doing right here, trying to get all the stuff up here, as you can see. Probably I got to get all these out right here. Got to get all these out right here. Okay. So if you want noticed, we got all that stuff out of there, right there. They're all out. Arlen X-Force did not put the tape down like you're supposed to, so it stays in place. As you can see on the resistors, though, you can tell right there they got burnt. So it'll be working nice and cherry next time. So yes, sirree. So we're out here right around South Carolina doing an amplifier, going live feed and stuff. I noticed him, he put this thing up really high. I know well, that should be fine. But right now, just they gotta get this all cleaned up. So how's it going on, everybody out there today? Just showing the inside of the amplifier. It looks like somebody was on Town 28 earlier. Yep. Get some more of this contact cleaner on the board. Get all this stuff up here so she sets right. This is too much. This is not too expensive. I bought a big bottle of this. So where I am at, it's not too bad. Just trying to clean it up and get her cleaned up. Cool. How's the skip land out there? Is it pretty good? All right. You listen to the skip land out there? It's good. Yeah. I was hoping that James Stewart would get out there. 38 lower sideband. All right. That's pretty good. You see how dirty this thing got? overtime. I think he had this stuff in. I told him last week or so. I think he had this in. I asked him, did he live by the a lake or ocean, man? And he said, no, I did not. And that's what James said. I said, dang, man. To me, you know, it looks like it did. But it's all right. That's all right. I'm just trying to get all the stuff up here. So at least it'll look a lot better when I put it back together again. You know, it's pretty dirty. So if you guys want to take a look at this is, I'm going to tell you something. This is your output right here. The big stuff, okay? If you don't know, if you're just getting into the CB radios, okay? This big old output, okay? And then this is your input right in here. So I got to clean that up real well. And this is your tuner, okay? Cobinder. It has two cobinders in there, as you can see. And your little tuners. That's a tuner right there to tune this. Goes to here, goes over here. So it makes it a good tune. Yeah. So, oh yeah. How's it going out there? Just trying to clean up for James a little bit to make it a little bit decent here than what it was, because some of these components has, as you can see, has moved off the board. Yeah. You know, put this bird back down again. Yeah. You know, I put the other one down, but. You know, I might remove this board, but I'm just taking a look at it right now. How dirty it was. You know, just had to get underneath the board to do it. You know, because it was that dirty, and if this stuff is not clean right, it won't set right. You know, it won't set right in place. So, yep. You'll be having it soon back. I was thinking about painting it, but what do you guys think? Should I paint this board or not? To a nice color? Take this all down and paint it? It's up to you. So I'll just give you an inside of the tin pill. Here's the power supplies. You got 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5 power supplies. Okay. And that's what will run this tin pill right here. Stupid cough. So, yeah. That's what it looks like. Stickers. Put one of the stickers on. Yeah. Okay. I will. As soon as I get one sticker from you. I need you to make me more stickers, you know. I might have you make me a little sticker put right on the side of here. You know, a little logo, Jokerman Electronics. That'd be kind of cool, right? So, yeah. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah. Just trying to do a good job for my buddy out there, James Stewart. Now, give me a second. I'm going to show you inside the pills we've got. I'm going to come over here. Just a second over here. And I got the pills. So, figure out where I put them and what case they are in. But I know I got them somewhere. I put the case up. Let's see here. I put them up on one case. Just a second there. Trying to look for the transistors here. Where I put them at. Oh, they're around here somewhere. Okay, here we are. So now I got the transistors here. Just wanted to show you. These are the brand new ones. So I'll open up these. This will go in here. Okay. I bought the new 500s, as you can see on the output. Okay. What the heck? She got me. Anyways. She got me the wrong ones. I'm going to have to call her up. But anyways. These are brand new. HDs, man. These will go on the output, but these are the thousands, and she got me the wrong ones on the order. I didn't pay attention to it. I ordered, and I just stuck them in there. I'll have to get some more. I believe she did that. Anyways, I ordered two 500s, and she didn't do it when I ordered it. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you that James Stewart, the pills are right there. So, and I ordered the right parts, but she didn't send me the right parts, and I gotta go call her up on IC manufacturing on Monday. She sent me the wrong ones. I told her 500s, and she sent me 1,000. So, all right. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching the videos. And like I said, this would be a good place to put a sticker for me on there. Bye-bye for now.